Okay, the name of the site is RecTime.com. And notice how the I is under the T. This is actually going to be the logo for the site. If you go up here, this will help you know what each color means. The blue is a text box in which the users can write in. The yellow is always a link to another page. The pink changes with time, and this has to do with dates that keep changing, and I will send you the dates in an Excel document. And the green is an immediate change, like a wall post or joining a court in which the user performs. The first page is going to be RecTime. It's going to say off at the top, not ready to ball. And under that, it's going to say the best source to find, pick up games and activities. We purposely wanted to put this in the middle. And this, by the way, is the first page that a user will come across when they first access the site. And they're just given the information. Type in your zip code or city to find recreational sports or other activities in your area. Have a box for the zip code or city. And in the corner, email or password if they're already a user, log in, or they can create an account. If they type in their zip code or city, they will be brought to this page. This is the home page. The home page has three boxes. 1, 2, 3. The first box is a list of all the activities and sports in a certain area. So we're going to say Boston. And this is all sent to you in the Excel. Now notice how it says pick up in Boston, ... click to go to page. So you click this link and it will go to the page under the same thing. The other option a user has is at the top here you can see not able to find what you were looking for. That means in this box, check off the sports or activities you want to play and RecTime.com will organize it for you. So they will get a list of a bunch of sports, and this list I will send to you in a Word document. So they would be able to check up to 5 sports. After they've checked the 5th sport, they will get a text that says you are only limited to 5 sports. Then they will click submit, and that will bring them to the next page. The other option they have is add another location where people play recreational sports activities or have fun. That's another option. However, let's say they click submit after they type in the sports they're interested in. They will be brought to the next page. To help RecTime.com organize games for you, please answer the following questions. That's what will be at the top. When they first come to this page, however, they will have a box that will not allow them to go further unless they join. All they have to do is fill out their name, email, and password and press submit. After they do that, this will go away. And again, this is only for first-time users. Then they will be hit with a bunch of questions. Hours available to play each day. And they fill in the hours. So from blank to blank, Monday, Tuesday. The next question, would you be willing to be a captain for this event? Yes or no? Maximum miles willing to travel. And do you have any people you want us to invite? Give us their email addresses. And they would just list off their email addresses. We would get this through email or the managerial page. After they click submit, they will be brought to the 4th page, which is thank you. We at RecTime.com will organize these games for you. Check the site daily to find your games scheduled. Okay, going back to the home page, if you chose one of these options, which is a location already on the site to play, you would click to go to page, and they would be brought to this page. Again, they could not go any further unless they filled out this information. And we purposely want this information half over this right here, which is the date. So they can see it, but they can't see it. After they filled it out, this goes away. Now what we have is, this is the page for the location. Now here's an example. The name of the gym, the city, the state, the zip code, the address, if there's a cost, the age, and if it's indoors or outdoors. This is really important right here. This will always be changing depending on when they play. So we did this so people will keep coming back and checking this. Now, as you'll notice in the Excel document, there are different dates and times of when they play. So, for example, they play Saturday, January 6th at 12 p.m. When Saturday, January 6th is done and it's January 7th, the next time will come up. And so if they play again Saturday, then it'll be Saturday, January 13th or Wednesday, and it will get rid of that. Then under there you have the wall, and this is just like Facebook. You have a wall post and you have the names. You see, click to join this court. All the user has to do is click, and their name gets put under here. Now, if you click on one of these names, you get brought to the next page, which is a user's profile. And it's kind of like a Facebook profile. You have a picture, you have the name, the sports they play, the location that they live in, their age and their gender. And under that, they have the games that they belong to. If you click on one of these games, you get brought to the location page or the game page, which was the previous page I just showed you. Users will have a status and they will have a bio. They'll just be able to fill in these. Now, there should be an edit button somewhere so they can edit this page. Okay. The next path a user can take from the home page is add another location where people play recreational sports, activities, or have fun. By clicking this box, they will be brought to this page. And again, they could not get further without becoming a member. Now, they fill out the title of the sport or activity, the state, city, address, zip code, location, days they play, months they play during the year, times they play, ages, and costs. Then a description, and then they would press submit. The only ones that are optional are the age, the cost, and the description. All the other information needs to be filled out. After they press submit, they would be brought to the next page, which is thank you. Your game or activity has been added to readytoball.com. Go back to the home page. Just a few notes. We want the color scheme to be mainly blue and white. However, I want you to sprinkle in a little green every now and then. And that's it.